students of class 6. So as you know, your online examinations are coming, so I'm going to give you some instructions as well as revision. Okay, so which type of question will come in your exam? So I will give you some, I will instruct you what will be the pattern. Okay, so see, there will be MCQ question, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark. So 1 mark question will be very short type, that will be like definitions also. Okay, definition can also come, or there may be a fill in the blanks, but there will be option which will be given. So no need to write anything, and in maths question paper you no need to write anything. All the questions you have to click on the correct option only, and when your exam will start, you have to take out your one rough copy and you have to solve there. After solving only, just try to click on the correct option. Okay, because there may be any mistake. Okay, so that's why take out one copy and you have to do the sums in that rough copy, and according to that only you have to click on the correct option. Okay, so in 1 mark question no need to solve. Okay, there will be very short type, just you have to remember the definition, the concept, the properties which we have discussed in the video lecture, like commutative property, associative property. Okay, the properties you have to remember properly. Okay, that will be 1 mark question. In 2 mark question you have to solve. Okay, like you have to solve 2 or 3 steps. After that only you will get your answer, and according to that you have to click on the correct option. Okay, then next will be 3 mark question. In 3 marks question there will be not short or not long. Okay, there will be medium type question, and there may be word problem will be there in 3 mark question. Okay, so I will show you what will be the question, the pattern of the question. Okay, next will be 4 mark question. 4 mark question, only 2 questions I have given, 4 mark questions. So they may be word problem, or you can say simplification. They may be simplification. Okay, their long simplification already we have discussed in the lecture. Okay, so try to see the lectures also and try to memorize all the properties, and you can also read from your copy also. You have maintained your copy starting from first chapter, so you can read the properties from your copy also, and you can do practice accordingly. Okay, so now come to the question number 1. Okay, next is one more thing is that after MCQ there may be true false question will be there. In true false, what we have to do, see, one statement will be written and the option will be true and false. Okay, so which one will be correct? Means the statement is correct or the statement is false, you have to check it. Suppose prime number, what is the definition of prime number? I am giving you just one example. Okay, suppose I have written prime number. The number are called prime numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So the option will be true, false. Means that statement is true or false. You have to click on the right option. So as you know, the option is correct, so you have to click on the true option. Okay, so see, like this, I have taken first of all 1 mark question, Roman numeral for 105. All of you know 105 is what? 100 plus 5, 100 is C and 5 is V. So CV will be 105. So like this 4 options will be there in MCQ. So before each option there will be one circle. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to correct the option like this. We have to click on the correct option like this. So this will be correct. See, question number 1 and question number 2 already I have studied in class 4 and class 5 also. You can easily do it. You no need to calculate in copy. But like in question number 3, you have to solve. How to solve? See, product of place value. Already you know what is a place value. Place value means what is the place value of 2 in this number. So place value of 2 in this number is 200, because 2 is in 100 place. And face value, you know, face value is the number itself. So 2 is the face value. So here you have to multiply the face value and place value of 2. So 2 into 200, that will be what? 400. Okay, so you have to click on the correct option. This is 400. So this type of question will come from 1 mark and 2 mark. Okay, so next I am going to discuss about 3 mark question and 4 mark question. So see a 3-mark question. 20 boys and 30 girls paid rupees 10,000 as their school fees. How much total amount paid by all of them? That means 10,000 rupees paid by each student, okay, as their school fee. So 20 boys will pay how much? 20 into 10,000. Similarly, 30 girls will pay 30 into 10,000. And the total amount, after you will get the total amount, you have to add the two amount. That is the amount paid by 20 boys plus the amount paid by 30 girls. Okay. So after adding, you will get the total fees paid by all of them. So like that, 4 option will be there and you have to click on the correct option. Okay. So question may come like this also. Name the property which you can use here also. Okay, for solving this type of question, we can use one property. So after the answer, there may be the name of property which will be written, like associative or commutative, okay, or distributive or additive identity. Okay, which property we are using here. So after the answer, the question may come like this. We have to name the property. So which one will be correct? You have to check. So as you know, this question is of what? Distributive property, because they are paying the same amount of fees. Boys and girls both are paying the same amount of fees. So we can do like this also. 20 plus 30 into what? 10,000. Okay. So like this also we can solve. So 20 plus 30 will be 50 and 50 into 10,000 will be 5 lakh. So like that you can also solve. So that means we are using distributive property. So like that you have to click on the correct option. That means you have to find the answer also. Answer will be written and after that you have to mention the property. So the property is mentioned already. You have to click on the correct option. Okay. So this is of 3-mark. This is the pattern for 3-mark question. So next will be 4-mark question, and 4-mark question will be simplification, or there may be word problem. Okay. So try to study from chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, all the word problems try to practice. Okay. The similar type of question I will give in 4-mark question. There will be only 2 questions of 4 marks, but you have to solve it. Okay. So you have to, already I told you, you have to take your rough copy with you. You have to solve in the rough copy, and after that you have to click on the correct option. Okay. So no need to be in hurry. You can do 1 or 2 times, and after confirmation only. Okay. After confirming that yes, your answer is correct, then only you have to click on the correct option. Okay. So practice more and more. Okay. So if you find any difficulty, you can call me, you can ask me. Okay. You can send me in WhatsApp also. Okay. So all the very best for your exam. Okay. So thank you.